Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app totally for free anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Uber and Lyft are basically cutting the rates. So this is a new study came out. I know we already talked about this before, but I wanted to harp on this one more time. Is that you should, if you're an Uber and Lyft driver, this is proof why this is not a good long-term career. Because over time, they keep raising the rates for passengers and then not increasing it for drivers. Literally, they did a study, UCLA. Have you been to UCLA?
Yeah.
I've eaten in their dining halls. The food's pretty good.
Same.
Yeah. It's kind of random. Let's just say somebody invited me over to the dining hall in the morning. If you want to put two and two together.
Nice.
If you want to put two and two together. Let's just say I was getting some private tutoring by a UCLA professor. Anyways, Uber and Lyft. You want to read this real quick?
Yeah. Uber and Lyft have more than doubled their size of their cut of New York City customers' fare money, far outpacing the pay raises seen by their drivers, a new study says.
Yes. Guys, read the data. Look at the data, guys. The data don't lie.
So UCLA conducted this study, and so when the city's minimum driver pay rules took effect in February 2019, rideshare companies took 9% of the total fares charged that month. But by 2022, rideshare drivers took nearly 21% of the money charged to New Yorkers.
Damn, that's crazy.
So this leaves drivers with 79% of the base fare. But this is not including tolls or tax. They have to pay, and they have to pay for gas and vehicle maintenance.
Yeah.
But honestly, I've seen some people get like 50% of the fare.
Oh, yeah.
Or like 60%, like even less than that. So
yeah.
Yeah, they analyzed 50 million rides.
Dang. Guys, okay, this
median driver pay increased by 31%.
This right here, guys.
50%.
This right here is super important. Sorry to cut you off, but like this right here is so important because it's not like, oh, Uber can't say, oh, well, they only interviewed 1,000 drivers and that doesn't make up the full picture. No, this is 50 million rides. So like this is legit data, like on mass scale.
Yeah, this is a really large sample size. And so basically what they're saying is like, even though the passengers are paying 50% more, the drivers aren't getting paid the same amount more. They're getting paid 31% more.
Exactly. And Uber, like...
That's median.
What?
That's only the median, too. So, like, some of the differences might be even bigger.
Yeah, you might be a driver who's only making, like, 10% more.
Yeah.
We saw people falling behind on rent. Drivers group said the minimum pay proved too low when gas prices and maintenance costs rose last year. Yeah, gas prices have been going up crazy. And then they fell a little bit. And like, but they're still freaking high. Like, gas is still freaking expensive. And Uber's like, well, use our discount partner so you can get 3 cents back per gallon. It's like, yeah, like that's gonna help.
Yeah, so Uber
spend $100 and they're gonna give you 30 cents. Like that? No, that's literally chump change.
Yeah. Uber spokeswoman was trying to fight back, saying that it wasn't 20% that Uber was taking, it was 16.4%.
Oh God.
But yeah.
The Uber CEO said a totally different number. He didn't say 16.4, so they need to get on the same page here.
Yeah. This feels fishy.
Yeah.
To me.
Oh, JJ Jiang says accepting the pet. That was what Uber Pet was.
That's what I said.
I legit thought that it was like you had to pet your passenger like while you give him a ride. I thought you were gonna pet him on his head. Like it's like a thing, like, have you heard of like the cuddles on demand? Like I thought it was like, oh, you have to pet your passenger while you give him a ride. Omnilife says, I am asking, can you say something? Hello.
Say what?
He just said say something.
Something.
Yeah. Good afternoon. We believe that under California code, there's a false report. You can go to jail for leaving a false report. Oh, and it's interesting. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're technically stealing, and like that's lying. So,
yeah.
It's basically like going to the grocery store and being like, getting all your food and then like taking a photo of it and like editing all the photos so it looks like moldy. Like, I don't know. It's like literally, and then you're like going back like, oh, my food's moldy. Here's proof. It's like making up stories about how you getting a, yeah, anyways. Miguel Rubio says, oh, he deleted his comment. That was weird.
Oh.
I was like about to read it.
Driver pay is up more than 40%, with drivers earning an average of $33 per hour. This is the spokeswoman of Uber.
Oh.
Do you guys get paid $33 per hour?
Did she really say that?
Yeah.
$33 an hour?
$33.30.
Yeah, right there, guys. Yeah, you guys getting 33.3 cents an hour? I smell cap on that one, bro.
You smell cap.
I smell cap.
I don't believe that.
Yeah, I smell cap on that.
Yeah.
It smells like fish on that one. I'm just saying that. Smells fishy.